Have you ever looked at a pyramid and wonder how many triangles are there? Or which faces should I include in order to find the total surface area? Or do I need to count the base? So if you have asked yourself any of these questions, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome to Ocean Cafe. Today, we are going to master total surface area of a pyramid. Instead of memorizing the formulas, you will learn a simple method that works every time. We will begin with an easy example, a pyramid with a square base. Once you are confident, we will level up to a pyramid with a rectangular base where the faces are no longer all the same. But let's first start by understanding what is a pyramid. So over here, how many faces does it have? And are you familiar, all right, to know that how many corners or edges does a pyramid have? So over here, you will see the definition of the terms of a pyramid. All right, you will see the edges. Edges will be the side of the triangles here, and also the base of the pyramid. Yeah, and also we have faces. So the shaded here, so these are known as the faces. So we have total 4 faces on the side and then 1 face on the base. All right, we also have the corners. So 4 corners at the base and 1 corner on top here. So out of these 3, I would say the most important one will be the faces. So this is the one that will help us to find the total surface area of the pyramid. What total surface area really means? So it is useful to make use of the net which is given on the right hand side. So whenever we want to find the total surface area, our first question should always be, what faces can I actually see if I unfold the pyramid? So over here, what you can see is we are able to see a square base and 4 triangles. Yeah, so once we identify all the faces, then calculation becomes much easier. So to find the total surface area, I will need the base area together with the area of the 4 triangles. Now, so let's begin with the base. So we can see that this base, it is a square base and dimension is 6. So which means to find the area of this square is simply 6 times 6. This will give us 36 centimeters square. Now, how about the area of these 4 triangles? So I do know that the base is 6. And what is the height? The height is given as 4 cm, which is as shown in the diagram on the left hand side. Yeah, so once I have this, I'm going to put them together. So there are 4 triangles, so I just multiply by 4. And area of triangles is given to be half times base times height. So putting this together, I will be able to get area of the 4 triangles to be equals to 48 centimeters square. Now, I want to find the total surface area. Total means the sum. So therefore, the total surface area is simply equals to 38 plus 48, and this will give us 84 centimeters square. Great. Now that we have learned the square base pyramid, let us tackle a more challenging example. So over here, what you have is a pyramid with a rectangle base. So how can we proceed to find the total surface area? Since this pyramid has a rectangular base, so not all the triangular faces are the same. Now let's take a look at the dimension. So over here, you notice that the breadth of the rectangle is 10 centimeters and the length of the rectangle is actually 15. Now, how about the height? The height of the triangle is actually the same, which is 12 centimeters throughout. Now, based on this, you will notice that the triangle on top and the bottom is actually different from the triangles on the left and on the right. So we do need to take note of this when we find the area of these triangles. But we will still use the same strategy, identifying every face, find each area, and then we just add them together. So let us apply the same strategy to find the total surface area over here. So what we will need is the base area and also area of the two triangles, the top and the bottom, and also area of the two triangles, which is the one on the left and on the right. Now for the base area, we have length times breadth, right, for a rectangle. So that means it's just 15 times 10. Now for area of the two triangles, what I have here is, since only two faces the same, so it's 2 times area, half times base times the height. And for the area of the two triangles on the left and right, so again it is two faces the same, and then multiply by half times the base, which is 10 now, and then times the height. So are you able to find the total surface area? So all you need is just to sum them all up, isn't it? So do let me know in the comment below what answer do you get, right? So do not be afraid, all right, when you see the pyramid, all right, and you are asked to find the total surface area. It is actually not difficult once you are able to identify all the faces. So the trick is just to find each area and then total them up. Hope you find this video useful. Alright, do like and subscribe if this helped you. Alright, do share it with your friends too. I will see you in my next video. Bye.